Thank you for visiting MDinteractive.com. In today's video, we're going to review how simple it is to enter your advancing care information, otherwise known as ACI, directly into your MDinteractive account. Before we get started, just a few reminders about the ACI category for 2018. This category is weighted as 25% of your final MIP score, or a maximum of 25 out of 100 points. There is a 90-day minimum reporting period for the ACI category. All base measures must be reported to earn any credit in this category. There are exclusions for e-prescribing and health information in place. There's also new hardship exclusion for small practices. Please note that providers can report using 2014 or 2015 editions of your certified electronic health record technology. But this year there will be a 10% bonus for using only 2015 certified electronic health record technology. Now let's dive into your account and see how easy it is. First, you'll want to enter in your username and password and log into your MDinteractive account. Once in your account, you'll see that your provider or group of providers listed here. If you have not entered your providers into the account, you can simply come down here, list either the individual or the group that you plan to be reporting for, and add them to your account. Once your account is set up, like our individual account here, you come over to Advancing Care Information where it says Add, Edit, and click. This will take you into the Advancing Care Information reporting area. Once you're in the Advancing Care Information tool, the first step is to enter in the reporting period you plan to report. For the purposes of this example, we'll use January 1st of 2018 through April 1st and click Apply. The next step is to select your ACI measures. Depending on whether you have a 2014 edition or 2015 edition EHR will determine which measure set you use. For the purposes of this example, we're going to use the transition objectives and measures. At first, you'll see a series of pre-attestation questions for CMS. Please answer these questions to continue on. Once you've answered your pre-attestation questions, it's now time to enter in the information for your base score. Please remember that the base score must be completed in order to move on with the advancing care information and for scoring. Please remember, this information will be pulled directly from your EHR. After running your report, you will simply select the appropriate measure, in this case, e-prescribing, click on the black arrow, and enter in the appropriate numerator and denominator information either for your group or your individual provider. You will enter in your numerator and denominator information from your report and click Apply. Remember, if you are eligible for an exclusion, you can mark that at this point as well. We'll continue entering in for all of your base score information. Once all of your base score information has been entered in, you will notice that you can begin seeing scoring for your advancing care information here below. Now it's time to enter in the performance and bonus score information. It's the same as the base score. Simply click on the black arrow and enter in the correct information for the measure and click Apply. Once you have successfully entered all of your performance, bonus score, and base score information, you scroll to the top and select Done to save all of your information. The system will let you know that your selections have been saved, and you will see your score begin to show here on your account homepage. You've successfully completed your ACI reporting. Now you can move on to your next category. Thank you.